Alright. Flying out to the launch site. Day of the launch. Operations. Check. Medical.
Got this. Got this check.
Fire brigade.
Check.
It's bigger than the rocket. Check.
Conditions are fair today. Clear skies. Slightly breezy.
And no police officers.
Security.
FAA.
Alright. We're on our way. It's launch day. Here at the launch site. Getting ready. Launch vehicles arrived. Support crew standing by.
Like now?
Okay, fire brigade.
We're also are we the retrieval group?
You ready?
Too?
Got the mascot.
Mascot.
It's a beautiful day here at NASA on the 5th of July. Okay, we're here at ground zero. Get ready for the launch. Alright, the range is hot. Range is hot.
Okay.
Alright. We have a successful launch of the small rocket, the Oreo cookie. Post-flight assessment.
Lunchtime. Here's a cookie.
Nice. Worked.
That was great.
And the nose cone stayed attached.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It didn't burn.
What? Here on launch day. With a Falcon small rocket. I just like saying Falcon small rocket. We're getting ready for the launch. Weather. Fire brigade.
Jack.
Jack. Fire extinguisher at the ready somewhere.
I don't
There
know.
it is.
Where is it?
They're over there. Over there. Keep the van safe. All right. All right. We're a go for launch. We're a go.
We're go.
All right. Do the button pusher, John. All right, we're ready. The black?
The little black button.
That's no, that black and the black and white. Yeah, simultaneous.
5, 4, 3, 2.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh! There we go. Late chute deployment.
Right in the grass. Oh, on the car.
Perfect.
Not bad. Both. 3, 2, 1. Pressure on. Uh-oh.
This is Houston. Say again, please. Houston, we have a problem.
I have to do a, okay. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
Reconfigure the RCS. We've got a pretty steady fire in this thing. We've got multiple caution warning, Houston. We've got to reset and restart. All right, I'm going to SDS.
All right, stand down. Let it go.
Like the heart rate just started. Econ, what's your data telling you? Two technical numbers. And one is at 725 psi. What's going on here? Flight, let me get back to you.
I guess having two connected made a difference before.
Flight GNC. Flight, they're all over the place. They keep going close to Hamilton. I keep losing radio signals. Flight, they're in town now. 22.
Well, launch day is complete. Making sure no farm materials left behind. Overall, a successful day.
Hey, got a couple of flowers here.
We had to shut down because of excessive weather conditions.
Lots of aircraft getting off the ground.
Some technical issues with the launch. Another successful day at the range. We're beefing up the defense system in Vermont.